In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Photoshop unable to communicate with Creative Cloud error quickly and step by step. This is a common issue that usually happens because Adobe background services stop running, your license session expires, or something is blocking the connection. The good news is that in most cases, this takes just a few minutes to fix. I'll walk you through all the working solutions from the most common fix to the last resort reinstall method. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes. All right, let's jump right in. The first and most common fix is restarting Creative Cloud services. Start by completely closing Photoshop. Then press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, look for these processes: Creative Cloud, CCX Process, Adobe Desktop Service, and Adobe IPC Broker. Click each one and choose End Task. This will completely stop all Adobe background services that might be stuck or frozen. Once you've ended all of them, open the Creative Cloud desktop app again from your Start menu. Let it fully load and sign in if prompted. After that, launch Photoshop normally. In most cases, this simple restart refreshes the Adobe background services and immediately fixes the communication error. If the issue is still there, the next step is to sign out and sign back in to refresh your Adobe license authentication. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Choose Sign Out. After signing out, restart your computer completely. This step is important because it clears temporary session data. Once your system boots back up, open Creative Cloud again and sign back into your Adobe account. Then try launching Photoshop. This re-authenticates your license with Adobe servers and often resolves account-related communication problems. If that didn't work, we need to check your internet connection and firewall settings. Photoshop must communicate with Adobe servers to verify your subscription. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. If you're using a VPN, disable it temporarily because VPNs sometimes block Adobe services. Next, check Windows Firewall. Go to Windows Security, then Firewall and Network Protection, and allow Creative Cloud through the firewall. If you're using third-party antivirus software, add exceptions for Adobe Creative Cloud and Adobe Desktop Service. Security software can sometimes block Adobe processes without you realizing it. Another important fix is updating Creative Cloud in Photoshop. Open the Creative Cloud desktop app and go to the Apps section. If you see any available updates for Creative Cloud or Photoshop, install them immediately. Older versions sometimes fail authentication with newer Adobe servers. After updating, restart your computer and try launching Photoshop again. If nothing has worked so far, here's the last fix. Uninstall the Creative Cloud desktop application from your computer. Once it's removed, go to Adobe's official website and download the latest version of Creative Cloud. Install it fresh, sign into your account, and then launch Photoshop. A clean reinstall fixes corrupted background services and restores proper communication. And that's it. One of these methods should fix the Photoshop unable to communicate with Creative Cloud error. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.